Mock meats have truly gained attention from scientists, researchers, media, and entrepreneurs. Today I will be breaking down some key differences between a lab-grown meat and a plant-based meat from a food science perspective. If that is something that interests you, then stick around till the end of this video. Hello all, welcome to Food Science Redefined. My name is Sujata and I'm a student of Food Science and Technology. First things first. Plants have this unique ability to synthesize amino acids from nitrogen in the soil where they grow to produce useful proteins. Unfortunately, humans cannot. Which brings us to the answer lies in the nutrient profile of a meat. Meat contains 15 to 20% of proteins, the building blocks of our body, along with vital vitamin B complexes and humongous amounts of iron and copper. These are wonder minerals when it comes to pregnancy and puberty. Out of the 29% of Earth's surface, humans have colonized 71% as habitable land. Out of this habitable land, 50% goes into agriculture. 77% of agricultural land is occupied by livestock. And finally, a meager 33% of global protein supply comes from meat and dairy. Mind you, it's just 33%. Is this enough to feed 10 billion mouths by the end of 2050? Common starting materials for a plant-based meat would be cereals, pulses, microalgae and seaweed. Whereas for a lab-grown meat, starting material is the original stem cell of a living and breathing animal. A plant-based meat is manufactured using thermal extrusion or shear cell technology. During extrusion heating, proteins undergo denaturation, starches undergo gelatinization to form high moisture extruded mock meats. A cultured meat, on the other hand, is manufactured using tissue engineering. Animal cells are cultured in a medium along with nutrients like fetal bovine serum. When the product resembles a full-grown meat, it is taken out of the culture medium and is ready for consumption. The issue with crops is that they lack hemoglobin and myoglobin, the pigments which account for the characteristic pinkish red color in a conventional meat. Now, in order to compensate for these, some amount of bioengineering is needed to produce the authentic color in a plant-based alternative. Similarly, lab-grown meats are tissue engineered to produce artificial muscle proteins. A plant-based meat is likely to be lacking in certain texture properties which are found in a conventional meat. Texturizing additives are incorporated into a plant-based meat. A very common texturizer is TVP or texturizing vegetable protein. On the other hand, if we look into lab-grown meat, these are directly manufactured from a cell of an animal, hence require little less additives than do their plant counterparts. Plant-based meats have taken off really well in the international market as well as in India. Delhi, Pune and Bangalore are huge consumers of plant-based patties. You must have heard about Impossible Foods and Beyond Meat. On the other hand, cultured meat or lab-grown meat is still at a very nascent stage of development in India. In fact, the only country to have commercialized the sale of lab-grown meat is Singapore. That being said, which one should you consume? Stay tuned for my upcoming video. If you benefited out of this, then consider subscribing to my channel, share this video with your batchmates. Stay safe and healthy. Bye for now.